What's up, guys? Here we are on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel to start every time I upload a video, guys. And here we are on Google Chrome. Let's get into the video. Here we go to YouTube, and we to show the new YouTube Studios. Here, and you click like your YouTube profile. Take you to the new YouTube studio, guys. Here to show you, like, here's all the YouTube studios you have to know. Here the data board. I don't know how to say it. Here they will show you like the video. Like here, they will give you ideas everything. Here we'll do the channel data order. I don't know how to say that word. I just want to understand how the YouTube studio looks like. If you want to go people to YouTube Studio, if you have an Mac or a computer, you click to your YouTube profile, go to YouTube Studios, and there it will take you to the YouTube Studio. It's like, if you have a phone, you can just download the app. Here it will show you like direct is like first, like the latest, like all this have like the comments, everything there, the data board. It will show the latest video, previous video, the news, blah blah blah. You already know this. YouTube, settings to what YouTube does wrong, and like subscribe to the YouTube channel. There are like options. So here we are going to the YouTube here, and he will show you like stuff. guys, for the YouTube studio, guys. Please subscribe.